Welcome to NAB Show 2019. InBroadcast is here filming the latest in technology, hardware, software, and products driving the next generation of storytelling. From established global brands to up-and-coming innovators, this is the destination for groundbreaking tools and solutions right here in Las Vegas. Hi, I'm Ashley with InBroadcast. Joining me is Carlos of FLUOTEC. Hello, Carlos.
Hello, Ashley. Thank you very much for having me.
Yes, it's great to see you. So for those that don't know, tell us a little bit about the company.
Well, we are a company who manufactures and design lighting for the movie industry and for TV stations.
And you have a couple new things here that are really exciting you were showing me. Tell me about those.
Oh, yeah. I'm quite excited because this year we brought down our quad. That is a square light that is 2x2. It has the same surface that the 120s we've been using, but this one has a different way of distributing the light. You can change the diffusion chambers or using it with or without. And also one of the new stuff that we have here is the high-speed units. That means they can work with 1,000 frames per second. It allows you to have flicker-free video, flicker-free movie.
They really look great too. And so did you win an award that's here behind me for one of these?
Exactly. Because of that advance, we won the Product of the Year on the NAB show, which is great for that precise unit. The 60 CINELIGHT with high-speed synchronization. And we are very proud and very happy.
So congratulations on your award. That's amazing. And so where can people go to get more information to see all these great products?
Okay, we are at FLUOTEC.com. Come and visit and see our complete lineup.
Okay, everyone be sure to visit their website. Thank you so much, Carlos.
Thank you very much, Ashley.